Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Proxmox and Unraid. Proxmox is a powerful open source virtualization platform that combines key VM-based virtual machines and LXC containers in a single solution. It's especially popular among advanced users and developers who want flexibility, strong performance, and enterprise-grade features like high availability, backup tools, clustering, and a web-based interface. Proxmox supports both virtual machines and containers out of the box and is ideal for running multiple OS environments in a professional setup. On the other hand, Unraid is an open-source inspired platform but leans more towards ease of use and media server setups. It allows users to run virtual machines and Docker containers, but its standout features is its unique way of managing storage, letting you mix and match drives of different sizes. It's popular among developers who also want personal media storage and easier UI-based management. However, Unraid is not entirely free and requires a license for full use. Overall, Proxmox is better suited for developers who want more control, advanced VM management, and enterprise features. Unraid is a solid choice for developers who also need storage flexibility and a simpler interface. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys found value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.